Got a new Webetop battery generator, and I plugged in my full-size fan here. Rotate and full speed and no problem working with it. Got another fan here that's working on the Webetop battery generator. My razor. You're out camping and need a shave. Also charging at the same time while it's running. It's nice if we're out, especially on a trip, and your camcorder battery goes dead. Just plug it into this generator and charge it up. You can charge or use your tablet or iPads while plugged into the portable generator. And those of us that have lung problems and need a nebulizer, like I do for my valley fever, if you lose power like we do sometimes, it's nice that you do have the option of being able to use it in case you need it, a breathing treatment, while the power's off. Just using this drop light as an example, that if you had a power outage or someplace you need access and you didn't have a flashlight, you can use AC power lighting. Also, like if you're going out of town or on a trip and your portable generator battery gets low, you can plug it into your car 12-volt system that all these have now and charge it up while you're going down the road, so it's ready when you need it, when you stop during the night.